constantly moving forward. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Okay, so it's been a while, and really wasn't sure. I think I suggested or made a comment in the last video. Wasn't sure if we were going to be making more videos or fewer videos, and I guess the answer is fewer videos. I think it's been almost 2 months since I shared that I was going to be losing my current job. So let me give you a quick update and kind of just share where I am in that journey. So down to the last 2 weeks, going to probably be sharing a lot more with more detail of how things came about and things like that. But what I want to do is really share the process that I'm going through to maybe put things in perspective and help others maybe working through this as well. So let's see. So I hate writing resumes. I hate talking about myself. I like doing just the work. That's what I enjoy. I have a teammate who is the same way. We're kindred spirits and our brains work very, very similarly. And that's why when we do have projects together, that's why we are really good partners. So one of the things that I want to really emphasize and share kind of in real time, because emotionally knowing something and logically knowing something are completely different. And they are they work in opposite of each other. So I was going through a variation of analysis paralysis. Some parts that grammar wasn't right, spelling was atrocious. I had numerous people look and give me feedback on that. But so what I did is I set a arbitrary deadline that I was going to get the soul and the essence and the stories that I wanted to get out. And then I just said, all right, this is it. And this took a long time. I don't think I really started writing my resume until maybe really a month ago. And I did the cover letter first. And like I had alluded to, I just like the work. So I had heard best practices of, I had one boss. She would make notes throughout the week of things that she had done. And then if there was something that was really intriguing or a really good story to tell, she would update her resume constantly. So it was always up to date. It always had the most recent things, and it always had the best stories for her to tell. So sometime last week, I was like, this is, we're in the last 3 weeks. So what I did is I was like, I'm going to fix the last of the grammar problems, misspelling, miswording, and that's it. And then I've been applying ever since then. But I think next video I'm going to talk about, I don't think I've actually said where I've worked. I think I've kept that quiet because don't know why, but just in case the company heard about it or just whatever. But yeah, I worked for Walmart. So I started with the and I may make a whole video on this, but started in the logistics building, got noticed by somebody, and then started working for home office and as a remote data analyst. So yeah, actually I think next video I will dive into that because I want to keep these ideas separate. So we're really going to focus on, and I'm working on a better way to articulate this, but I really want to focus on problem solving, because I even have people who are around me who are like, oh, well, I know SQL. And then I watch them write SQL and it's garbage. And then they're overcomplicating what then they're having to do to fix it, because they don't understand the problem solving aspect of the best way to structure this. So we're going to talk about this a lot. And actually, I just was working with a teammate, and I learned some very cool SQL, and I'm going to share that too. So I have quite a few video ideas, and we're just going to be doing this, and I'm probably going to be doing some more live streaming, because if I do not have a job in 3 weeks, I will have a lot of time on my hands. So we'll probably be doing that. But make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server and asking any questions, because I know if you're early on in your journey, I know there are things you're struggling with. And if you ask them, it's going to help somebody else. So not only are you going to help you're going to help me, and you're going to help somebody else. So if you're struggling with, you don't want to ask that to help you, you're going to help 2 others at the minimum. You're going to help me, and you're going to help somebody else. So put it in perspective like that. So Discord server, if you don't want to join over there, drop any comments, questions, video requests down in the video down below. Never actually said this out loud, but I do have a Patreon link down in the description down below. If you want to give the channel some support, that would be awesome. If you've not subscribed, make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.